Hello, little learners. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory.
Yay!
Yay! ABC time!
Let's learn together.
A, B, C, let's start.
Hi kids. Welcome to our channel. Let's have fun learning. ABC of animal-driven vehicles today. A is for animal cart. B is for bullock cart. C is for camel cart.
Are you having fun?
Yes, yes, yes.
Clap your hands with us.
D is for donkey cart. E is for elephant ride. F is for farm wagon. G is for goat sleigh. H is for horse cart. I is for ice cart pulled by dogs. J is for jungle ride elephant. K is for kangaroo cart, fun pretend. L is for llama sled.
Do you like learning ABC with us?
Yay!
Subscribe please. Press the bell for more fun learning.
M is for mule wagon. N is for night cart with ox. O is for ox cart. P is for pony carriage. Q is for quirky reindeer sleigh. R is for reindeer cart. S is for sledge. T is for trolley horse. U is for umbrella cart. V is for village bullock. W is for wooden cart. X is for X-cart pulled by horse. Y is for yak cart. Z is for zebra ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ABC fun.
Great job today.
I love ABCs.
Don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
bye-bye.